Hi guys, today I'm here to tell you what to wear with what type of Raga traditional dress, because I belong to a Raga speaking village which is very strict in wearing Raga traditional attire or Raga traditional dress. Okay, look, this is a Raga Rufan Sakal Dupri which belong to my great grandmother, and this belongs to the olden Raga ladies. Okay, this is a Rufan Sakai Dupri. Okay, this belongs to the old generation Raga ladies, and if you're wearing this below, above, you have to wear Sebok Kambung because this is the old version of Kambung. I know you will be confused because some people wear white color, the white one which is called Rufan Dukri or Jati Rufan. They call it Jati Rufan. That one is also from waist to ankle length, just like this. My Turi Raga Rufan Sakai Dukri. This is also short. This is the oldest version, which belonged to my great grandmother. Means Budi Chung in Raga language. Okay. So if you're wearing this or that white color, you have to wear this kind of kambung, plain one. This is an old version kambung. Okay. And if you're wearing a Raga Rufan, which belongs to the our generation Raga ladies, if you're wearing this and while dancing folk dance, you can wear this above. This is the modern kambung. Modern means like for our generation, like that dress was for the older generation Raga ladies, and there was no blouse before. So nowadays we are more developed, so we have the blouse, and then we have our rufan because Ragas love to weave. It's part of our culture, part of our tradition.